While everyone was busy boycotting Target, I bought the stock. I'm J. Cole. I'm an investor, options trader, and Bitcoin strategist, and this is Wealth State. Patience just doubled my money. In early October 2025, I bought a Target $90 option call for December 2027. That means that I was betting that sometime in the next 2 years, Target's stock would climb above $90. Fast forward today, and those same contracts are already up over 100%. This trade allowed me to turn $7,000 into $14,000 in just 5 months. Okay, let's break it down. Why was Target down in the first place? Target stock went from roughly $100 all the way down to the low 80s, dropping roughly 20% from the most recent highs over the summer. At the time, the stock was beat up for a few reasons. Retail spending was slow, inflation had people cutting back, and honestly, they had a lot of negative headlines. They had a new CEO, which is always scary for investors. Investors like stability. And then a lot of DEI backlash. So when the sentiment gets that bad, stocks can often take a horrible tumble. Why I saw this as an opportunity. This is where operators and investors think differently. Instead of asking, why is the stock down? I got to thinking, is Target really broken? Here's my thesis. Target still had one massive national footprint. 80% of Americans live within 30 miles of a Target. Target had strong brand recognition, billions of dollars in revenue, and because of that, plenty of cushion to allow them to adjust and pivot over time. So instead of buying the stock outright, I use long-dated option calls to give myself 2 years time to allow the stock to pivot and make things right. I had 2 years to let my thesis play out. Since October, things have started shifting. Inflation started easing, retail expectations were reset, and the market realized that the panic was a bit overdone. That's when the stock started climbing again. And because options are leveraged, the contract moved a lot faster than the stock itself. So that allowed me, instead of just making a 10 or 20% return, to see upwards of 100% return. Okay, the real lesson is not about Target. It's about patience and positioning. Give yourself time and let the market eventually correct itself. My system said, this is a great company on paper making billions of dollars. I don't see that changing, and they're down 20%. It's time to execute. If you want more breakdowns like this, real strategy, real trades, and real results, stay close.